Okay, now that you have annotated yours, I want you to see what mine looks like. Now, notice that I wrote all around the outsides. I don't expect you to do this in a format when you have it as an assessment. When you download yours, you can make all of these comments in a comment box on your Word document. However, I had a physical copy in front of me, so I was able to write. But I want you to notice what I wrote and what I annotated when I highlighted. In the top, from right under the heading autobiography, I annotated that this was an excerpt from the autobiography by the author Walter Dean Myers. And through his descriptions, what do you learn about the idea of overcoming obstacles? Why I annotated that is because that is his theme, or what his major topic would be about in his autobiography. When I go through, I want to look at my close read. Okay, so I'm looking for what challenges did he face. So I told myself I'm annotating for challenges. I didn't want to make this my speech the focus of my life, so that's a challenge. He has to overcome that. I hoped eventually would come in from my writing his ability to communicate, because he wants to be able to communicate, that he never understood his speech problem, that it sounded clear to him. However, every time he spoke, it didn't sound clear to somebody else, so he didn't know how to take what they were asking him to do, which was speak more clearly and produce something more clearly, because it already sounded clear to him. Talked about him every time he read out loud, it was very difficult for him. His stomach would tighten up. He would become very nervous that he could hardly read at all. So he ended up having physical reactions when he was put on the spot. Well, I want to connect the two, because stress is the idea of this article, and it's saying over here on my close read, how are the box details in this article different from the kinds of details that Myers used to describe the stress that he felt as a child? Well, seeing as this is an article, this is more factual. Okay, so if I looked in the box, which is what it told me to highlight originally, stress is the body's way of reacting to certain challenging events. The events that cause stress are referred to as stressors. So for Myers, he had emotional stressors, which were being put on the spot, doing things like reading out loud. That's my connection. Even children experience stress. Well, Myers was a child when he was referring back to how he felt. Certain amount of stressors can be a good thing, leading to heightened focus and increased stamina and alertness. Well, one of the things I highlighted, that he didn't want to make speech the focus of his life. Okay, so he heightened and increased his ability in writing to overcome these stressors when he read out loud. So I made my connection. I annotated on things that my text was asking me to look at. And I wrote things over here so that when I went back to it later, my future Miss Costa self could remember why I highlighted what I highlighted. So I don't have to read the whole thing again. I can sit here and I can read my annotations and go back and refer to my highlighted areas to figure out what it is I wrote about and why I wrote about it. That's what I want you to get in the habit of practicing. I know when we're reading online and I'm having you do things through Schoology, you don't necessarily have that opportunity. However, when we download and you have your own copy in Word, you can make your comments. Now, it won't be physically written like mine, but it'll come over here and pop up as a challenge. So it'll highlight something and make a comment, and I can go through and I can read my comments, and I can just read what I annotated or highlighted in my Word document and why I highlighted in my comments. We'll practice that throughout the year. If you are lucky enough to have a printer at home and you want to print and you want to annotate, you can always send me an image of what you've annotated, and that will suffice.